everyone, Monique here. So today it is finally time to harvest my potatoes. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to take out my deep water. So all that is like an old jar that it's a Gatorade container, I think. And I cut the bottom off and I stick that in my planter and it does what's called deep watering. So I'm going to start by pulling out the plants and we'll see what we can get off there. Look, we got first one. Not a bad size. They're not huge, but they're kind of medium. So here we go. See, and that's my seed potato right there. Yeah. And I'm putting these to the side because I'm going to replant after I've harvested these. And I'll put those dead plant leaves and stuff at the bottom as part of my compost. So there we go. And then any of the really tiny potatoes, I'm just going to leave in the dirt. I've heard somewhere that they actually grow things. I disbelieve that because they don't even have eyes. But see the little ones like that? I'm going to just throw back in the pot when I replant. Look, there's another one. Just tiny, but that's okay. So what I do is I pull out the leaves for composting, and then I have that pail beside me, and I'm just gonna put the dirt in there as I'm grabbing my potatoes. Look at these. I'm so excited. I don't know, it's just so much fun getting all of the potatoes. So in this pot, just so you know, I planted 4 seed potatoes. Okay, so out of 4 seed potatoes, I've already got, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 potatoes. So that's not a bad return on investment now, is it? Granted, they're not huge, but I'm happy. Oh, and here's me with my knees. I'm not a spring chicken anymore, and my knees give me grief, so I have to stand up and stretch them out. So here I am just taking the dirt, putting it in a pail, finding more potatoes. I'm so excited every time I find a potato. It's like a little treasure hunt. A treasure hunt in the dirt. Here we go. Going through this. See, and you'll see that some of my compost from last time is still in there. Ooh, look at that. That was a pretty good size one. And the small one. The small ones are good too. Look at that. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going through the soil here. Taking it out. Found another one. So exciting. And another one. So I'm probably easily at 30 potatoes from my 4 seed potatoes. Like I said, they're not huge by any means, but they're all so fresh and I don't know, I'm really excited about it. And the really tiny ones, like this one I don't consider tiny, but the really tiny ones I'm just going to throw back. They can either become compost or they can grow like some people seem to think that they do. I've always thought you had to have an eye in order to grow potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna just put the rest of the dirt in here. Watch for potatoes, guys. I think we about got all the potatoes though. So when I replant these, what I'll be doing is I'll be putting that compost in the bottom. Get all that dirt out of there. I'll put compost on the bottom. Then I'll put a layer of this dirt. And then I'll put my 4 new seed potatoes and we'll have more in the fall. That's my harvest, guys. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye now.